then. You get it then. Come on then.
I meant to bring my camera actually. Hey, hold it.
You pointed at your granddad.
Come on.
Are you going to clap for Grandad then? No, don't pick her up.
Don't pick her
Pick
up,
she'll
Rhonda.
be fine.
She's heavy.
I always get a lovely smile, don't I? Oh yeah. Hmm?
Hattie. Come on then. Come on then. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you trying to fool your granddad that you can't crawl? Come on. You got through. Did you land early or something?
We landed at 10. Oh no, it was 10 to 1. We should have.